Hello viewers, our today's topic physical features of South America. In our previous class we have read about the location and the political divisions of South America. Let's start. Have a look. This is the physical map of South America. We all know that South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. South America can be divided into four main physical divisions. The four major divisions are the West Coastal Plains, the Andes Mountains, the Central Plains and the Eastern Highlands. At first, we are going to discuss about the Andes Mountains. Look at the western part of the continent. You can see here Andes written here. The Andes Mountains are a long stretch of high young fold mountains that run parallel to the Pacific coast in the western part of South America. You can see here, right? They are not one mountain range but several parallel ranges, basins, plateaus are here. There are a number of lofty peaks in the Andes. The highest peak, Mount Aconcagua. Okay. Some high peaks remain snow covered throughout the year because of its height. There are a number of active volcanoes. So many active volcanoes are here. For example, Mount Cotopaxi. See the location. Come to the next division, the West Coastal Plains. This is a very narrow plain lying between the Andes and the Pacific Ocean in the western part of the continent. Right? The hot Atacama Desert lies in this coastal region. You can see here the Atacama Desert lies in this coastal region across the Tropic of Capricorn in North Chile. Right? Come to the next division, the Eastern Highlands. Look at the eastern part of the continent. The Guiana Highlands and the Brazilian Highlands form the Eastern Highlands. These two highlands are separated by the river Amazon. Right? These highlands extend in the eastern part of the continent along the Atlantic Ocean. See, these highlands extend in the eastern part of the continent along the Atlantic coast. Okay. The eastern highlands are much lower in height as compared to the Andes. This is the characteristics of eastern highlands. You can see here in the region between 40 degrees south and 50 degrees south in Argentina lies a cold desert called the Patagonian Desert. Look at the location. Okay. Come to the last division, the Central Plain. Look at the middle portion. The flat plains are formed by the rivers Amazon, Orinoco, Paraná, Paraguay and Uruguay. This region of lowlands, as its name suggests, lies in the center between the Andes mountain in the west and the eastern highlands in the east, right? The Orinoco Plains are known as the Llanos, which means plains. South of the Llanos, the Amazon lowlands are called the selvas. It is a region of dense equatorial forest. Farther south, the, the temperate grassland of Argentina are called the pampas. Temperate grassy plains of Argentina are known as pampas. Right? And you can see here the Parana Paraguay lowlands include the Gran Chaco. It is a vast alluvial region. Okay.